In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create blood pressure tracker in Excel. We'll use a ready-made template so you can get organized quickly without designing anything from scratch. Make sure you're signed into Excel and connected to the internet, because we'll be browsing Microsoft's online template gallery. Start by opening Excel and going to the File menu. This is where Microsoft keeps the template library, along with options for creating and opening workbooks. The layout can look slightly different on Windows, Mac, or the web version, but the file area is the common starting point for all of them. Next, choose More Templates. This takes you to the full gallery, which is easier to search than the quick start screen. You'll see categories and a prominent search box at the top. Using the gallery ensures you're pulling in a professionally designed sheet that already has charts, sample columns, and formatting set up for you. In the search box, type the word tracker. That keyword broadens the results so you can see health-related options alongside other trackers. The gallery will return a range of templates, everything from habit and expense trackers to fitness logs. If results are slow to appear, give it a moment while Excel loads previews from the cloud. From the results, look for the blood pressure tracker template. The preview image typically shows columns for date and time, systolic and diastolic readings, possibly pulse, and a chart that visualizes your readings over time. You can click the preview to read a short description. Choosing a template from Microsoft ensures it's compatible and uses standard units like mmHg for blood pressure. Take a second to confirm that the layout matches what you want, especially if you prefer a simple table with an automatic chart. When you're ready, click Create. Excel will generate a new workbook based on that template and open it immediately. You'll see the worksheet pre-formatted with headings and, in many cases, a chart area that updates as data is present. There may be example entries that demonstrate how the chart works. They're just placeholders to show the layout and can be removed later if you wish. The advantage of using this template is that the structure, data types, and visualizations are already in place, so you can focus on consistency and accuracy rather than design. And that's it. By using File, opening More Templates, searching for Tracker, selecting the blood pressure tracker, and choosing Create, you now have a polished Excel workbook ready for your health monitoring routine.